Hello. All right, so evaluation report, and there are two options: repair evaluation and post repair evaluation, which helps you and your customer to identify the condition of their device or whatever you are repairing before and after repair. Let's say that you are repairing phones devices. Since you can repair anything with RepairBuddy, but while you are repairing phone devices, maybe you have options which I have listed here: frame bent to LED flashlights. How you can change the evaluation options? You can just go to devices and brands, and here you can change these options to the one I have predefined. Let's see here. So if you are repairing something else, let's say that you are repairing cars or anything else, you can just change it here, cars, and here you can change it to manufacturer and type, and it VIN number or registration number, whatever. So okay, we have defined our pre-evaluation items. Now you can see that the whole new options will start appearing here, and once you let's say that you have received booking for this device, you check before repair that it's working, not working, not tested, does not exist, working, not working, not tested, does not exist, working. You can just select whatever is the condition of this function in the device, and if you don't are not checking everything, that's okay, you can leave them unselected. Once you have done this, now you have done pre-repair evaluation and post-repair evaluation. You can done complete after you have repaired the device and you are ready to repair. Here you can also print the evaluation report here, and you will see that if there are two devices in this job, you will see evaluation report for both devices, but we selected the options only for first device, so you will see that what is the condition of pre-evaluation, and after post evaluation will be printed once you have selected it, and you can also send it to customer by default just from here. And if you just you click this button, and email of this evaluation report like this will be sent to customer, and you can easily print it here. So this is how you can handle the disputes with customers. Sometimes happens like customer says microphone was working before, but you said no, it was not working. But if you have pre-repair evaluation report and post-repair evaluation report, these type of disputes does not happen, and this helps you to keep running your repair business smoothly. So this is how RepairBuddy can help you to evaluate it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.